Take a walk with me, friends. It is a happy, peaceful Tuesday. It is a great morning, man. I'm actually walking down this little street right here. I currently live in Waxahachie, man. It's a growing process. I'm starting to really begin to understand the way of things, environments, peace. And it is a crazy thing when you start to open your mind and maximize and start to realize that even stuff like this. Look at this. You see this? Before, somebody owns rights to this land. Somebody owns rights to be able to build the next Walmart, the next Ross, the next Best Buy, the next big thing. Right here. This is where it starts. This is where it starts. And it's coming. And it's coming, man. It's coming. The environment is here. The universe is here. It's coming. All we gotta do, point ourselves in that direction. And then boom, it's there. What you make of yourself, what you want to empower yourself, and what you want to instill in yourself, what you want to instill in your mind. You want to build. You should want to build. You should want to establish yourself. You should want to grow. Right here is where it starts. On this solid ground, these soils that people have built for us and that people have established for us to grow and to build bigger and better things. Like, see right now, there's this Best Buy right here. Once before, this was all dirt. But somebody came in and they changed the game and they set up establishments. That's what we need to do. We will grow. Whatever you put your mind to, whatever you want to achieve in life, you can do it. No matter what. As long as you got this, that's all you need. I hope everyone that is watching, I hope you have positivity, love, encouragement, graciousness to be able to take on the task at hand and the task at work. Because there's more work to be done, and we just getting started, baby. Yeah.